Alrighty, friends. I know that lecture video was long. I am still learning, so look for them to be hopefully chunked a little bit more on Monday, so they're not 26 minutes long. I'm sorry, I know. Okay, so quick video about how to use the Superfund sites, websites. First link takes you to this map and it says national priorities list by state. So you can go through and you can see like how many sites there are in each state. So if we look at Alabama, there's 12. If we look at Indiana, we have 41. Remember, these are just they are just federally funded sites. Okay, so that is how you use this guy. The second link, so this one tells you like how many by state. Second one is the map that shows you where you live or like where they are. So if you look by region, you should be able to just kind of visually see. This is going to be kind of more of a qualitative look, but you can look at the different regions. So you can say like, oh, the Northeast has a lot, the West doesn't seem to have as many. So that is like how you can look by region. And then when you're looking for one, you can also select a state. There might be regions on here. Nope, just states. Okay. You can also look, the third link takes you back to by the states. Okay, so when you're looking for one in Indy, you can go to Indiana and hit go, and it will take you to the states or the ones in our state. So find one that's around Indianapolis. Here's one in Marion County. You can expand it, and notice it says like it's been deleted off the national priority list. But you can click on the link here and it will tell you, hopefully, about it. So it tells you the background, what it was, what happened, what has been done to clean up, and then what's the current site. So no further status, so it's been taken off the list. You can also, one in Logansport, that's closer to where I grew up, groundwater contamination, and it tells you a little bit about it. It tells you where it is, tells you who's in charge of it, and then you can look at the cleanup activities, and it'll tell you all about what's been going on in it. So hopefully that helps you navigate the page a little bit. So if you're looking to look by state, you can click on this map. If you're looking to look by region, you can kind of eyeball it here. I will tell you, oh, at the bottom of this list, so this is, if you go to all and hit go, it will say there are this many entries, and that is the national priority list. Okay, so that's how you get that number about how many sites are on there. Email me if you have troubles, if you have questions. The phytoremediation site is pretty easy to use. I will try to click to it really quick. I checked all the links today to make sure they work. So phytoremediation site is here. It's just a reading. So hopefully this won't take you too long. Yeah, email me with questions. See ya.